what, let's film something, man.
No, man.
What do you mean? Let's film something.
Come on, man. Don't ever do that.
What are we going to film? Fight scene.
Fight scene.
We don't even know how to fight.
Action. Alright, so what if I like crane kick? Yeah, you go flying down there, and then
You can't do that. You can't get your legs in the air, man.
What do you mean by that? I am flexible. Look. Basically an athlete.
Look, we don't need to do all that. We'll just start simple. I'll throw a few punches and then we'll just go from there, okay?
Whatever.
Me and you will square off
Whatever.
first, then you can jump in.
Whatever.
Cool?
Yeah.
Right, well, we'll start simple. I'll just throw, you duck,
Throw,
and then we'll just kind of wing it.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
What have you done?
Why did I stop? You didn't say ready. You
I said, I literally said ready, you didn't even
Why
do
are
it.
you laughing? How would you
got
laugh?
rocked, man. You doing? You can't just punch him like that. Doesn't matter. You can't
He's
slap
like
people.
16. No matter your age, you can't. Man, you stupid. Yo,
Yo, just chill. Just chill
Now
out.
what?
Bro, yo.
Now what?
Oh,
shit. Sorry. Stop him.
Oh
yeah,
my
yo,
god.
that's crazy.
Yo, good. I'm so sorry. Yo, dude, man. Yo. Stop doing that. What? Big fuck. Oi. Yo, choose, man. Let me help you. You good, yeah?
Sorry. Right, go on.
Move out my face, you.